One of the biggest days in the surf world returns to Linda Pacifica, California for the Dog Surfing World Championships 2023. We have some of the heaviest hitters here, from Skylar the Surfing Dog to Rothstein to Ranger to Faith to Rip and Rosie. As always, OneTakeMini.com is here to bring it to you LIVE live. Let's do this.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come on a safari with me. Early in the morning we'll be starting out. Some honeys will be coming along.
I'll do some commentary, mix it up with the people, see what we can get here. You know, it's a little bit of a tough. You see producer Reese out there. Producer Reese getting rocked. He brought his hat up. Oh, here comes Faith with another big wave. Dog in the green is clearly dominating this heat. Nobody's business out there. It is not that close there with the large dogs. Dog in the green absolutely killing it out there. Oh, here comes the dog in the blue. Really solid wave, staying low all the way through. Outstanding stuff. Oh, catches the second wind there. Dog in the green doing quite well. Here comes the dog in the green, Emilio. Focus here. I believe that is Faith, just ripping it up. Absolutely dominating the game. Love to see it. A little bit of a rough start to the large dog heat. Here comes dog in the blue with another nice wave here, Emilio. Catching the quick breakers. That could be the move here. We'll see what the judges say. We'll see what the judges say. But sometimes on a tough day like this, it's about quantity. It's just about quantity. Who's the busier dog out there? Who's the dog catching the most waves? That could be the formula for success here in 2023. It's kind of like a boxing match out there. You know, if no one's hitting the big, no one's landing bombs, sometimes it's the guy who's just jabbing a little bit more. A little bit busier. Oh, there is a surfer. Oh, here comes Orange Dog. Orange Dog with a nice little wave. Make a nice little name for himself. Out there on the outer peak there, producer Reese catching. Oh, here comes Green Dog, another wave. The Green Dog says a little bit more explosiveness right at the buzzer there. You love to see it. You love to see it. I believe that is Faith. I've said that a million times. I believe that is Faith. But that is the end of our heat. Outstanding stuff from all dogs competing. Some of the heaviest hitters here, Emilio. The very large dogs, and then we have the dog-dog tandem and the dog-human tandem. Emilio is earning his paycheck today with those shorts on. Outstanding. I'm getting filmed by these guys. Love it. We appreciate you. Thank you.
We're loading up our woody with our boards inside and heading out singing our song. Come on, baby, wait and see. Yes, I'm gonna take you surfing with me.
All right, Emilio, another big heat here. The very large dogs. Some of the biggest hitters. We have Derby, Big Red, rumors of Rip and Rosie. The people absolutely pack this place. Absolutely packed out here. Derby, California. Derby absolutely leading the charge. If you haven't read Derby's book, go read it. Adventures of Derby, California, if I'm not mistaken. One of the best books you'll read in 2023 and beyond. Derby with another wave. Oh, potential collision. Oh my goodness, another collision. Incredible. These two are going at it here. The people, oh, sorry. People are getting in deep this year, 2023. Derby is going out way deep there, way deep. Getting insane depth here for these waves. Risking it all for the Dog Surfing World Championships here. Very large dogs, heat one. Big waves coming in. Big waves for Derby. Kentucky's loyal owner. Oh, they go for it there. The backward surf. Producer Reese getting a great angle. Oh, what a wave from Derby, California. Whoa, that could be a winner all the way into the beach. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Incredible. Oh, I hope Emilio did not get the bag wet. Incredible wave. Incredible wave from Derby. That could be the potential winner there. Oh, Kentucky has given Derby a lot of love. Great work there. Great work. Outstanding stuff. Thanks to the Sartoro stretch fabric, it is no worries if I get a little bit of salt water on my new suit here. It is not a problem at all. The tide is coming in, folks. The tide is coming in. People are getting murked a little bit. People are getting murked, but that's okay. These things happen out there on the surf. On the Narnar. Charlie surfs up Andor Biscuit, the dog in the yellow, really giving it a really tough to judge here. I think Derby with that last wave takes the lead, at least in this heat. Oops, sorry. Oh, Derby with another massive wave on the backwards. Incredible wave from Derby. Wow, Derby is absolutely dominating. Absolutely dominating. But the dog in the yellow coming back with another one. I don't think that's Rosie, no. I don't think it is. Keeping the push, keeping the push. Oh, she's still going. Not the fastest wave in the world, but still finishing strong here. But here comes Derby. Here comes Derby in a good spot. Going with the push. Kentucky with the push there. Derby staying low, riding all the way through, keeping that weight back. Outstanding. Could be going all the way into the beach. Could be going all the way into the beach there. Outstanding finish there from Derby, California. Wow, the very large dogs heat. You love to see it.
Surfing now, everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
Pacifica, the waves are a little bit more treacherous. Rosie has the floor to herself out here, just showcasing all of her talent, all of her skills with a nice tame wave, keeping the weight back. Outstanding stuff there, Emilio. You'll love to see it. You love to see it. Clean finish there. Rosie, one of the absolute stars of the dog surfing world. If you haven't seen her, check her out on Instagram, @RippinRosie, if I'm not mistaken. Dogs are getting massive here, massive depth here. Another nice wave for Rosie. I tell you, from Rosie to Derby, California, to the other dog who was out there, this is a really outstanding group of competitors here in the very large dog category. Some of the smaller dogs struggle on the bigger waves, but the very large dogs, they just got it, Emilio. They're just... This is where the stars come out, Emilio. This is where the stars come out. We're no more prelims. This is coming up on the main event here, Emilio. A little bit of a break in the action. Great opportunity to shout out our sponsor, Sartoro. Use the promo code ONETAKE10 to get 10% off your first suit order. Sartoro, the suits. Oh, here comes Rosie again in great position. A little bit of whitewater, but she's going for it. Outstanding. A little bit more speed on that one. Great depth from her owner, Steve, there. Getting a second wind. All the way through, Rippin' Rosie, bringing the absolute heat. Bringing the absolute heat out there. The people in Pacifica are loving Rosie. Rosie just asserting her dominance as one of the legends of the dog surf world, from Santa Cruz to Pacifica and everywhere in between. Rippin' Rosie in a great spot. Rippin' Rosie in a great spot. Oh, she stays on. That's got to be the wave of the day. Right at the buzzer, incredible. Oh my goodness, I might have just put Rippin' Rosie over the top against Derby and the other competitor. Charlie surfs up. Wow, what a heat for the very large dogs. Incredible, just incredible stuff out there. This is competition at its finest, folks. This is what it's all about. Pacifica, California. What a day, what an event. Rippin' Rosie, and I believe the owner is Steve, doing a really great job navigating some tough waters here today. This is, especially with the extra large dogs, you're seeing a little bit more command out there. The smaller dogs struggle in the larger waves.
Right.
So even going down the small and the medium, but the extra large dogs, they really bring it.
Exactly.
And especially with someone like Rosie. Rosie's been doing this for what seems like decades. There comes Rosie with another wave, Emilio. He didn't catch it. Oh my goodness. Rosie putting on an absolute show. Putting on an absolute show at Lindemar. It's a historic performance from Rosie. Who can compete? Incredible stuff there. Oh my goodness.
Good stuff.
Get your Sartoro suit, man. Get a damn
All right,
Sartoro suit. How about producer? He's filming. He films the first. He films the first 20 minutes in time lapse. That's awesome, man. That's awesome, producer. You get some good shots with there, man. How are the floaties keeping you safe out there?
They're doing all right. They're doing all right.
Yeah, you feeling safe? You feeling?
I feel very buoyant. Very buoyant.
Okay.
Yeah, my arms especially. You know, it keeps my hands above the sea.
Good.
Huntington and Malibu, they're shooting the deer. In Rincon, they're walking the nose. We're going on safari to the islands this year, so if you're coming, get ready to go.
Great stuff out there from our guy, Producer Reese. Let's throw it into the water and see what he's got. Producer Reese, give us an update.
Producer Reese reporting live from Lindemar. I just filmed the first 3 heaps of dogs. It was the stars, it was Rosie, it was Skylar, and I think Charlie, the surfing dog. All sick runs. I'm doing good out here. I kind of messed up the first 10 minutes. I was filming in time lapse, but we're doing good now. We're doing good. Producer Reese out.
One of the last competitions of the day, the human dog tandem coming up. Massive names: Acacia, Ava, Derby, Faith. In the first run here, I don't know if everyone is going to be out but the human dog tandem, this is the main event of the day. Really tough. Oh, there you go. Kentucky and Derby leading off with a nice little charge here. Outstanding stuff. Derby coming in backwards. It's going to be really tough conditions to stand. The first crew with a bit of a, I don't know if it's a cheat code, but they have the older gentleman pushing, and then they have the youngster who's going to be riding with the dog. Kind of a veteran move, pushing the rules potentially there. But if we can get some nice waves, I would be very impressed. Here comes Dog in the Green. Oh, there's a stand up there, but with the smaller person riding there. Less depth than Kentucky and Derby. He might go for the whitewater here. It looks like they're going just for kind of a whitewater type situation. Can't really catch. He does pop. Credit to him with the pop. Oh, they do get a little bit of a momentum here. There you go, Kentucky and Derby. They are moving. My guy Kentucky's out here working. He is out here working. Way to go, Kentucky. That's our guy. Oh, solid wave there from Kentucky and Derby. This is the tandem is really tough with these conditions here. Really tough. I mean, the fact that they've even been able to do that, that's just outstanding there. That's probably the best wave we've seen so far this run. Kentucky's getting more depth. Oh, this is going to be a nice wave from Kentucky. You can see, get up, go. Nice, Kentucky. Way to go, Derby. Will Derby do any sort of, oh, the stand up. Oh my goodness, incredible. Oh, you could see that coming. You knew they had something brewing there. Outstanding from Kentucky and Derby. Oh my goodness. Kentucky is gassed. He is tired. He is earning his paycheck today. Kentucky is working. The hardest working man out there. Another great opportunity to shout out our friends at Sartoro.co, one of the fastest growing men's fashion brands out there today. Electric suits. Tired of folks buying off the rack. Get it all online, Sartoro.co. Use promo code ONETAKE10 for 10% off your first order. That is the end of the heat here. End of the heat. They still might have one or two waves left. I'm not exactly sure how that works. I think they just kind of like do that as a bit of a guide, but Kentucky and Derby going here for the whitewater. I think just based on the depth, they got to win this heat. Oh my goodness, neck and neck here. Kentucky Derby, Faith, a little pounded there. Great sign of sportsmanship amongst fierce competitors once again. That is what it's all about here at the Dog Surfing World Championships 2023. You'll love to see it. LOVE, Kentucky is gassed. Kentucky, oh my goodness. We might have to get a post-game interview with Kentucky there. Incredible performance, Kentucky. Way to go. Way to bring it, man. Way to bring it, man. Hardest working man out there. Hardest working man out there. Outstanding from Kentucky. Outstanding. That's our guy. That's our guy. But we're fair and unbiased judges. We're fair and unbiased judges here, but that was outstanding. That was outstanding. Producer Reese, way to go out there, man. Those floaties, bro. Dominating, man. I'm fired up. Who's carrying the boats?
I'm carrying the boats.
Who's carrying the boats?
I don't know me, son.
They don't know this guy. They don't know this guy, son. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bruce Reese, can I get a "they don't know me, son" for the people at home?
They don't know me, son.
They don't know me, son.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Give me your deepest rap piece. They don't know me, son.
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 All right, that's not bad. You're working on it. Way to go. Can I get a "who's gonna carry the boats
Who's gonna carry the boats
and the log"? All right, Emilio. History in the making here. The final heat of the human dog tandem. Skylar and Homer, two absolute legends of the game. They have not been in the water yet today, but they are getting out there. It is deep. The waves are steep. The waves are treacherous here at Linda California Pacifica. We will see what two of the greatest to ever do it have left in the tank. History in the making. They are getting deep out there, really deep. This is like tough conditions here. Skylar the surfing dog, pressure is on Skylar, but look at this, they got a right wave immediately. Just incredible. Two of the best in the business doing what they do. Oh, the scissor kick from Homer. They still got it. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, one wave in, and they just bring it, these two. This might be the last time Skylar might be walking off there. Just still has it. Skylar looks great. Skylar has not missed a step after coming back from injury last year. just outstanding stuff. Look at Skylar, the way that she navigates the water. So clean out there. Knows when to turn around, knows when to. That dog's part dolphin, might be part dolphin out there. And Homer just, not an easy gig here, folks. Not an easy gig. Normally when you're paddling a surfboard, you want to have your weight a little bit more forward. I guess Skylar kind of creates that momentum there at the front when they're paddling out, but that is not easy. Looks like they're getting a little bit more of a cleaner break than Rosie and Co. Rosie and Co are a little bit more north out there. They're getting deep once again. They have a couple of potential props if the opportunity arises. Watch out for the umbrella move. Watch out for the scissor kicks. We already saw it. Watch out for some yoga style poses. Watch out for maybe even a handstand from Homer. Maybe a spinaroo from Skylar. You never know what you're going to get with these two absolute legends and showmen. Skylar's a show dog, show woman. They are deep. Emilio, you got to zoom in on these folks. They are deep out there, Emilio. Whoa. This could be a massive wave here. They're paddling in good position. Can he catch it? Oh, just falls over the top just slightly. Producer Reese goes down. Producer Reese goes down. Oh, no. There goes Producer Reese. He's down. He's down. He's in. Oh, no. Producer Reese is getting caught. He's getting caught in the undertow. Producer Reese Oh, man, he's getting caught in the undertow, Emilio. Oh, man. You might be signing up for workers' comp after this one, man. This is, that's incredible. Oh. Producer Reese. That is all time, man. That is all time stuff. Skylar and Homer are out there deep. The fans on the beach are watching with bated breath. Bated breath to see Skylar and Homer, two of the greats. Oh, looks like they're in good position here. Paddle, paddle, get up, get going, yes. Outstanding there from Homer. Oh, cutting it left. They got some depth. They're going to go all the way in. Outstanding, right towards Producer Reese. Little yoga move, little chair pose. Scissor kick, Producer Reese not in position, but that's okay. He tried, he showed up. That's going to be on Producer. The story of Producer Reese, he showed up, baby. No one's more available than that guy. What a legend of the game. Emilio getting murked a little bit.
Go surfing now, everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come on a safari.
Staring down my rival correspondents out here. You know, it's just got to assert our dominance. ABC, NBC, ESPN, 8 the Ocho, OneTakeMedia.com. We might not have the prettiest equipment. We might not have the most professional guys. We got Producer Reese, but who has the most heart? It's easily us. I didn't see anyone else doing live commentary, Emilio. I didn't see that. Did you? That's the one take difference. We are here, Emilio, with Steve, partner of Rosie, coming all the way up from Santa Cruz. How would you compare the waves that you're used to down at Pleasure Point area to some of the waves that you saw there at Pacifica today? A little bit of a choppier break.
We had fun out here, but it's not Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
I mean, we're spoiled. Santa Cruz waves are the best, so hands down. But we had a good time. It was great.
Rosie was absolutely bringing it out there today. Some of the biggest stars. We had Kentucky. We had Skylar in there as far as competition is concerned. What's like you want to go out there and you want to win, but at the same time, there's a huge camaraderie factor to the dog surf community. Maybe you could talk a little bit about that, especially with Rosie and the rest of her dog compatriots.
Oh, yeah, no, absolutely. It's a really cool vibe because everybody's working together.
Right.
I mean, you saw us out there with Rosie and Charlie and Carson, 3 dogs on one board. That's the only time they've done that at this contest. No practice, no anything.
Just send it, man.
Yeah, last year we met on the beach and said, oh, let's give it a whirl. Right. And then said we'd do it again this year, and it worked out pretty well.
Super fun. Steve, best of luck. I think they're announcing the results soon here.
Right, yep.
But at the end of the day, Rosie was dominating out there. Winner in my book.
Cool.
Best
Thanks,
of luck,
brother.
man. Thanks, Steve.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for the coverage, bro.
Thanks, bro. Tough breaks out there today, huh?
Man.
Really compared to last year, it was like tough breaks, and then you were going back to back to back as far as the runs and the heats.
Yeah. I mean,
take it wherever you want to go. You were working hard out there, man.
I mean, this is all about a family, so we all try to help each other
Right.
out. So I'm helping out all the small dogs, the medium dogs, and then it's time for Derby to do his solo extra large. But
Right.
by that time, it's time to do tandem dog
I
with
know.
our buddy Teddy, and then after that, it's tandem dog human, man. So it's a marathon, but it's all fun, and you put smiles on everyone's
Right.
faces.
I feel like there were more breaks between the heats last year. This year they were like,
Yeah.
go, go, go.
Totally. I think there were more breaks this year. They're just kind of speeding us along. There's got more events. We got more vendors here today. So like the
Right.
event's just blown up every year, and we love it. This year the waves were really great. I mean, they're just pushing really hard.
Yeah.
Usually by the end, when the big dogs are in, the waves kind of die down. But
Yeah,
this
yeah.
year, this has been amazing. So
Yeah.
yeah, enough push. It picked us all up. You know, when it's kind of tougher to surf with a bigger dog.
Yeah.
So, but no, the
We
waves.
got to get that shot of you in there when you were like, at the end there was literally one where you
Oh
just
yeah,
like were
man!
gassed.
Like I
It's
was
so
just like,
funny.
I am so gassed. Like even then when I'm pushing Derby out, I was like, duh, bro, you got to learn how to help me out here. Man.
It's so funny. Last year we talked about the book.
Yep.
Give a quick plug on the book
Ah.
one more time, because
Yep.
that is a great read. I did read it
Yeah.
last year. It took me a few weeks
Yeah.
because I'm not the fastest reader, but
It's a reading level for all ages.
including me here.
So our children's book is The Adventures of Derby, California.
Yeah.
Derby Learns to Surf.
Yeah.
It just came out. It's on Amazon and our website, derbycalifornia.com. But we've been reading to schools and nursing
Yeah.
homes up and down the California coast. We're hoping to start reading all over the United States so I can share Derby with everyone. And yeah, if you have teachers or principals want to hit us up,
Right.
email us, derbycalifornia@gmail.com.
Appreciate it, Kentucky. You the
Thank you
man.
so
Best of
much.
luck in
Appreciate
the final
Thank you.
announcement soon.
Yeah, we'll see.
Derby, you're a champion. Absolute champion. Way to go out there. There was some talks that Skylar was going to have a little bit of a slowdown this year, had a bit of an injury, needed to have a
Yeah.
surgery, but came out and had just, from the start, you hit that first wave in your run
Yeah.
and were just guns blazing
Yeah.
since then. I mean, didn't even miss a beat out there. Has it been the training regimen, or is that just, it's just surfing is just in Skylar's bones, inner DNA?
It's in her DNA. We actually haven't even been practicing because we don't have to.
Didn't even miss a
'cause
beat. Just didn't even
we
miss a
show
beat,
up,
yeah.
we're ready to bang it out. Hopefully, come home with the win, and that's just what we like to do. You know, we
So
like to
electric.
show up. You got to show up to blow up.
Fact.
So you know what I mean.
The waves this year were a little bit tough.
Yeah.
A lot of like breaks that were a
They
little
were
bit
close
further
together. It
out,
was
a
kinda
little bit
wind
close
swell,
together.
close
Yeah.
together,
Last year
so-
was a little bit cleaner
Yeah.
for the World Championships, but
Little
you were still
easier.
able to like manage it super
Yeah.
well. What are some of the adjustments that you had to make, if
I think
any?
we spent a lot of time in the water, so hitting some of those closeouts right on, we're good at doing that because we've done it a lot. And a lot of people, they just get taken out. So we were able to get out there to get a couple, and
Yeah.
and it went all right. So we were stoked, and
Yeah.
we're happy with the performance, and just a great way to go out.
It was
and yeah.
A lot of emotions in that last run from the crowd, from myself. It was kind of like watching Michael Jordan in Game 6 of the 1988 NBA Finals. Your thoughts out there?
Bittersweet. We love doing these contests,
Yeah.
coming and hanging out with everyone. We love putting on a show. So it sucks that this is our last event, but we'll still be in the water surfing.
Hell yeah.
Just wanted to leave some room for some of the other dogs to win, right? We won last year, and we don't want to get greedy and hoard all the medals or anything,
Class.
right?
That's class right there, Emilio.
So we just did the tandem because
Yes.
we love doing surfing tandem together and just coming out here and having a good time in Pacifica. We love this place,
Yeah.
love the Bay Area. We're from Santa Cruz. It's only an like hour 15 drive up here. I got to sleep in my bed last night.
Beautiful drive. One of the best.
Yeah,
ones.
it is.
It really
It's
is.
like a sanctuary drive.
Incredible.
Therapy.
Yeah.
Very therapeutic. Love this coastline. Happy to be here. Hopefully, we won tandem, and that would be we're undefeated.
Rumors.
No one's ever beaten us in
Rumors.
tandem ever. So that's a cool way to retire her.
Similar
Undefeated.
to Michael Jordan in the
Yeah.
finals, just saying. Skylar, on behalf of the dog surf community, thank you for all your work over the last however many years. Legend of the game, Homer, way to lead the charge.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
They're angling in Laguna and Sarah was too.
Another electric year at the Dog Surfing World Championships in the books. Linda Marr absolutely brought it. The people were outstanding. The crowds were hype. The stars were out. Rip and Rosie, Skylar the Surfing Dog, Derby, California. Producer Reese almost died, but he's still alive. What a year. 1 year at OneTakeMedia.com. We'll see you for many more. Signing off. Emilio, doing quite well out there. Looking great, man. Looking great in the trunks. Last year he was not willing to get his feet wet, but this year he is. And how about we got producer Reese here. He was getting murked for a minute, but now he has done slightly better. Way to go, boys. Way to go. Who's got a better team than us? Nobody. That's who.
All right, Emilio, today was an outstanding day. We are here at Lindemar. The water was chaotic. The dogs were amazing. The turnout was great. I was out there firsthand giving you GoPro footage. Dan was there giving the electric commentary. What a day. What an event. Happy birthday, One Take Media. See you next time.